Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's lesson I have a very short video and I'm going to teach you about a grammar points related to subject-verb agreement. And sometimes you may make a mistake in the test, or you may make a mistake when speaking or when writing. So now let's get started. Okay. So today I'm going to show you how to use one-off. I'm going to teach you the meaning of one-off and how to use one-off in the correct sentence. So one-off. So what does one-off mean? Usually we use one-off a lot in the book or in your daily conversations. But sometimes you may not notice of how to use one-off. So now today I am going to teach you, and then you will use them, or you will use it in the grammar correctly. Okay, one-off. So what does one-off mean? Usually one-off mean one out of others. One out of others. Right? One of means one out of others, or one among others. Right? One out of others or one among others. Right? One out of others or one among others. One ofนี้យើងប្រើថាមួយ the one out of others ឬក៏ one amongst others បាទណាមួយក្នុងចំណោមរបស់ផ្សេងទៀតណាមួយក្នុងចំណោមរបស់ផ្សេងទៀត But only one thing among others, only one thing out of others. You have a lot of things, but you talk about only one thing. We just only talk about one thing, a single thing. Okay, a single item. Này cứ việc one off. Okay, one off. Chứ không đó one off you both the plural noun. Okay, cái này cứ cái này là trời nằm tại đó. Việc one off plus plural noun. One off must be used with plural noun, and if talking about plural noun, it is only with the countable noun, no uncountable noun. We use plural noun only with only with countable noun. So one of only with plural countable noun. We use one of plus plural countable noun, and then plus a singular verb. So one of plus plural countable noun and plus singular verb. Chắc lại theo Việt Nam mình thế. Pro cái này ní kỳ tệ to nâng cao pra subject verb agreement. Cái nào pra subject verb agreement one of nè cả bôi một plural noun hai bôi một singular verb. Chắc lại verb ní hai nâng subjectត្រូវតែ agree ជាមួយគ្នាដើម្បីកុំឲ្យខុសក្នុង grammar អញ្ចឹងត្រូវតែប្រើវាត្រឹមត្រូវតាមទំនោរ subject verb agreement អញ្ចឹង one of លើ plural noun ប៉ុន្តែកន្លែងនេះគឺបូកជា singular verb ហើយមិនទៅ singular verb. What is singular verb? Singular verb are the verbs that are used with singular personal pronoun, right? Singular personal pronoun ឬក៏គេហៅថា third person singular. Third person singular. ខ្ញុំប្រើមួយ third person singular. Okay, chẳng mà chỉ mỗi thì là one of his friends. Okay, one of his friends. His friends. Friend it trao từ miền A, rồi với plural. One of his friends. Friends is pluralized. One of his friends. Okay, one of his friends. One of plus plural noun. Plural noun. Plural. One of his friends. Plural. In Thailand. One of friends in Thailand. Where's the verb? We have the verb work, the verb work. So, one of his friends work or works. Okay, so according to the form mentioned about, one of plural noun, right? One of plus plural noun plus singular verb. So the singular verb must be used with third person singular. And when the verb that are used with third person singular in present form, they are usually added s in the end, or es in the end. Okay, so one of his friends. One of plus plural nouns and then plus singular verb. So verb work and then work. Okay, I want to note it in red. So work. One of my friends works. Work is plural verb. So in the form we use singular verb. So one of my friends works in Thailand. One of my friends, one of his friends works in Thailand. One of his friends works in Thailand. Okay. One of his friends works in Thailand. One of the plural noun with singular subject. Oh, sorry. One of my friends, one of his friends, one of plus plural noun plus singular verb. Okay. Number 2. One of the men swimming in the pool. One of the men swimming in the pool. Man. One of the men swimming in the pool. Man. Right? More than one man. B. So we use is or are. One of the men swimming in the pool. One of the men swimming in the pool. One of plus plural noun plus singular verb. B. So the singular verb of B is one of the men is swimming in the pool. One of the men is swimming in the pool. And the last one, one of my books, plural noun. One of my books, more than 1,000 pages. One of my books, more than 1,000 pages. Have plural noun with singular verb. So singular verb of have is has. One of my books has more than 1,000 pages. Okay, so do you understand how to use one of? Okay, again, we use one of to talk about one thing, only a single item among the others or out of the groups, right? We just only one item, we talk about only one item out of the group, out of the whole thing. Okay, so remember that. What is the subject of the verb? What is subject of the verb? Chẳng cái này you have subject. Cả pra one of ní bộ plural noun singular verb ní. Ta môi ná chỉ subject không bị dược này. Chẳng là subject không bị dược cứ việc thả one này. Việc thả one nó cứ subject không bị dược. Bộ subject preposition mình ai chỉ subject mà hành tệ. Hay thom na bây giờ trong mơ subject không bị dược. Cả na việc na bị một preposition đang hỏi. Việc nút cứ gì subject bên nó không bị dược hỏi. Hot kết anh ở khang cõi preposition thì và những cái anh ở khang preposition với ai trở lòng là gì mình ấy. One of his friends. One is tầm mùi này. One of his friends. Chắc bây giờ trở lòng mà his friends này plural này cứ gì verb ở đây kết ha subject đàn nơi cho verb này cứ gì subject but nếu dưới bà coi trở lòng này cái này plural nouns nhưng bà coi cho ta đi plural verb này bao nhiêu con trở lòng ta tầm rung này ca pra one of này one này cứ gì subject, right? One is subject. Chẳng, one subject, one is singular noun. Chẳng cái này ní, verb ní cứ trao ta chỉ singular verb đại. Chẳng verb mean as. One of his friends works in Thailand. One of his friends work in Thailand. DP. One of the men. One is subject, right? Cứ subject. One of the men. Chẳng là subject of one day. Chẳng verb cứ is. One man is swimming in the pool. Hai trong cái one of my books. One with subject. One of my books. Trong verb must be in singular form. So one of my book has more than 1,000 pages. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, and I hope that you understand this grammar section and will not make any more mistakes. Okay, section, bye bye.